Hi, I'm Leiza, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second look at what happened this past week at SJIIES. Start the clock. On Monday, we all got back from our well-deserved 2-week break. We were all extremely excited to see our friends and looking forward to the new learning ahead. On Tuesday, the Grade 5As visited the Art Science Center for their IPC topic, Space Explorers. Wednesday was busy. The Prep 2s had their entry point for their IPC topic, Seeing the Light. The Grade 1s also had an entry point for their IPC topic, Let's Celebrate. Then there was a maths workshop for the parents. And finally, our school canteen provider, Sodexo, had an information and tasting session. On Thursday, the Grade 3s brought their IPC fashion unit to a close with a celebration of learning. Our week came to an end with an ESTV original production, The Kidding Around Show, starring Wendy Sunburns and Dr. Quickfix. We also had a house assembly where we got to make Christmas cards. Thank you for joining us on The Week That Was. We'll see you again next week.